for the naked eye. A hidden kingdom lives nearby. Tiny beings working day and night, building life with silent might. In the soil, the air, the sea so wide, millions of stories quietly hide. Welcome to the microbial